Emma moved into her new apartment with excitement. It was small but cozy, with a large antique mirror in the bedroom left behind by the previous tenant. The first night, she noticed something odd. Her reflection blinked. She froze. Did I imagine that? She waved her hand. The reflection copied perfectly. She sighed, laughing at her paranoia. But the next night, it happened again. Her reflection tilted its head just slightly before she did. Her breath hitched. "Stop it," she whispered. The reflection's lips moved a second later. Over the next week, the delays grew longer. Sometimes, her reflection would smile while her own face was still. Other times, it would mouth words she never spoke. One evening, exhausted, Emma collapsed onto her bed without glancing at the mirror. As she drifted to sleep, she heard a faint tap, 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 tap. Her eyes snapped open. The sound came from the mirror. Slowly, she turned her head. Her reflection stood there, inches from the glass grinning. Its hand pressed against the surface, fingers twitching. Then it whispered, "Let me out," Emma screamed. The reflection screamed too, but a second later, its mouth still gaping in silent laughter. The next morning, Emma called a removal service. "Take that mirror away," she demanded. The movers arrived, lifting the heavy glass. As they carried it out, one paused. "Hey, this thing's really old. You know it's a two-way mirror, right?" Emma's blood turned to ice. "What? What's on the other side?" she asked. The mover frowned. "Nothing. Just a brick wall." Then he tilted his head just slightly and smiled.